Hey guys, welcome to InfoTek Updates. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to enable the new photo editing experience in Windows Share. Rolling out in builds 26200.5516 and 26120.3653. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your browser and download the Vive tool from the github.com website. Then extract the downloaded file to the System32 folder of your PC. After extracting the file, run command prompt as administrator and execute the following command. After executing the command, you will have to restart your PC, in order to see the changes. You can now use the new photo editing experience in Windows Share on your PC. So, that was all the information needed to enable the hidden features of the mentioned builds. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.